Hi everyone, it's Adam from Oz Commercial Sewing Machines. Here on the Jack A4. I thought I would do a video on how to adjust your knee lever. This is pretty much suitable for most machines that have a very similar mechanism to you see here. This machine actually does have auto lift, but sometimes customers want a knee lift. It does give you a little bit of extra height under the foot if you've got some thicker items you want to sew. So the first thing we want to do is we want to have this, there's basically three, besides our knee lever itself, there's three adjustments. First you want to make sure that this center one is tight on the shaft. So undo your locking nut there, make sure that's nice and firm. I've already done that. Then you've got two stops. You've got the one on this side here. That's the resting position of your knee lever when it's relaxed, when you're sewing. And the other one here is the actual maximum travel, or the height that your presser foot's going to lift. So you want to set that stopper so that it just stops right pretty much at the end of the travel, so that it hits against the sump and just doesn't overstretch the lifting mechanism. So what we're going to do now, we're going to do this one first. So first things first, actually, we've got to make sure that our feed dogs are right all the way down. So we're going to wind our machine down over until our presser foot is on the needle plate. We'll see how much play we've got here. You just need a little bit, just so if you are sewing and you accidentally bump with your knee, that you're not going to lift the presser foot. I'm going to adjust that a little bit more. That's not too bad. So I'll leave that there for now. We might actually lock that one up. So these are 10mm, but just check yours might be a little bit different. Okay, next one we're going to do is adjust our maximum travel. So you can see that's about as far as I can push it. Now once we get to here, you'll see that the presser foot may get close to your needle bar. So let's just lift your needle bar up out of the way. Okay, so once you're happy with the height, then you can wind this one up till it stops and it hits the casting. And then once you're happy with that, lock up this nut and your knee lever's all done. And you've got extra height there. With this machine, you can actually turn your presser foot, your auto lifter on or off, which is great. Not all machines have that, but it just gives you another alternative to your auto presser lift if you need a little bit of extra clearance for thick stuff. All right, cheers guys.